everybody, welcome back to another video. I just got back from work. I'm literally still wearing my work clothes, but I have a lot to catch you guys up on. So I decided that I was just going to start a vlog, but first I got some packages in, so I want to show you guys what I got in, and then I need to get changed out of my jeans and my sneakers because it's just uncomfortable, you know? So let's open some packages. All right, I honestly don't know what all of these are because I've ordered a lot of packages in the past like week. So we have like stuff coming in for the wedding. I have stuff for like the honeymoon. So I have a bunch of stuff. I hate when they put these like foamy things in packages. Makes me really mad. Plus I've been ordering like random things off of Amazon. So I cannot get this out of the box. Okay. Got it. I think this is actually our ring box for our wedding bands for like when we get married. Yeah, it is. Oh, cute. So it just has like two little slots, and then it's just engraved with our names and our wedding date. So I just got that off of Etsy. I honestly just found like a random one. I did 2 Amazon orders in the past like 2 days. So I don't know like what's what. Oh, okay. I have a Nest, like Pura Nest. It's like a diffuser, and I absolutely love it. I have it in our bedroom because I don't burn candles in our bedroom ever, because it scares me when they're not like being watched. So I have it in the bedroom, plus it has a light on it, so it's like a nightlight type of thing. Also, so I just got this flavor. I haven't had this one. It's Moroccan Amber. Oh, it smells good. I like it. I also really like the grapefruit scent. That one's really good. So I just got 2 of those, and then we have another Amazon. The last one's Amazon too. I think these are sunglasses. I ordered these sunglasses that everyone is talking about. What is this? Oh, a keychain. Give you a little case. Oh, that's cute. I didn't know it was coming with that. They were like $10, so I figured they'd be really cheapy. But this is what they look like. I don't step out of the box with sunglasses very often, but I see everyone wear these and they look cute on like so many different people. I don't know. I don't know if I like them on me. I'm so picky with sunglasses. I feel like I do not look good in sunglasses. All right, well, there's that. So I got those so I can wear them on the honeymoon. And then lastly, we have this big box. It's so freaking heavy. These are our plates. So I have a white set of plates that I got from my parents. So I had a white set and a yellow set, and our yellow set of dishes was just like, it's like so heavy, and I just wasn't feeling the yellow vibes anymore, and I wanted all white, and I wanted everything to match instead of having like 2 different dish sets. So I got rid of all the rest of the yellow stuff, but I still have yellow plates because we just didn't have enough plates for me to be able to like get rid of them. So I looked on the bottom of our plates to get the brand, and I found them on Amazon, which was amazing. So I ordered more of them so that we can fully get rid of the yellow dishes, because that's the only thing left, and our dishes are like on display on that little thing behind me. So it looks really weird having like 4 yellow plates and the rest like small white ones. So they're exactly the ones that we have right now. They're just like really thin, plain white plates. So I got those. I'm gonna put these in the dishwasher because I need to run the dishwasher anyway. But that's all of the packages for today. I'm also waiting on a lot of clothing packages for like honeymoon stuff. I got a bunch of bikinis and like cute sets to wear, like dresses. I got a new pair of heels and like sandals from Target. So I'm excited for all of that stuff to come in and to show you guys the stuff that I got and try everything on. Hopefully it all fits. But I am going to put this stuff away, and then I need to catch you guys up on the mess that was today. I changed into comfy clothes. So it's time for a little chat. So as you guys saw from the last video, I was having a lot of trouble with my thoughts on my wedding dress, and I was just really unsure after that first fitting. And the first fitting, like, I literally just went with the dress, like nothing had been done to it yet. It was literally like me bringing it to her for the first time. So I've been thinking about it all week. It's now Thursday. This was on Monday. Literally all week it's been like haunting me, and I've just been so unsure and like upset about it literally every single day, and just like stressed, like what do I do at this point? My battery's about to die. Okay, changed the battery. But so this morning I was just getting like this overwhelming feeling of like I need to like try to do something about this, because I was just so like unhappy with like the way that I looked in the dress when I tried it on Monday. And I honestly don't know what happened when I tried it on. I absolutely loved it. Like initially when I was in the store, I loved it. I went back for that dress in particular. But I think that what it was like I tried on dresses like just on 2 days, like back to back, and I was so stressed about like the timeline of the wedding, because our wedding is so quick, that I didn't have time to like really pick a dress and like have it shipped in and then get alterations. Like I pretty much had to get something that I could either get really quick based on the designer or a sample. So I was really like stressed about that, and I think that that kind of like rushed me, and I was like, I have to pick today. So I think that that kind of like factored in, and I didn't have time to like reflect on like all the dresses that I tried on and everything like that. So I still think that the dress that I have is like gorgeous. I just don't really like it for me anymore, and I don't think it like really flatters me. Parts of it do, but parts of it don't. So this morning I had a mini meltdown, and I texted my mom and I was like, what do I do? And she was like, you know what, you just have to do like whatever is gonna make you happy. Like you just have to figure it out. Like go try on more dresses. If you need to, it'll either like validate that that's the dress that you want, or you'll find something else that you want. So I was like, okay, I need to figure this out. So I messaged Hannah from Daydream Bridal, the place that I got my dress, because she had the most amount of dresses that I really loved, and she was so easy and good to work with. So I was like, I know that I'm just gonna go back there because she has a lot of good dresses, and she had like my second and third favorite dress too. And I knew that she had like kind of styles that now I'm thinking in my head, this is actually what I want. So like I'm thinking a completely different style from the dress that I actually got. So I messaged her and I was like, hey, like I need help. And she was really good about it, and I let her know like I went for alterations for the first time Monday. I don't know if they've started yet. And she was like, if they haven't started, then we can just kind of like exchange that essentially, since I did get the sample, and I can get another sample at her store, and like try more dresses on and figure it out. So she was really good about it. So then I reached out to the lady that was doing the alterations, and I was like, have you started yet? Like, please say no. So I talked to her, and she said that they hadn't started alterations yet. So she is going to pull it from the rack that they need to do alterations on, and I'm picking it up on Saturday. So I'm picking the dress up on Saturday from the alterations place, and then I have a new appointment to go dress shopping again at Daydream Bridal for the second time next week. So I'm hopefully getting a new dress, which this has just been like wild because we're literally getting married so soon that I need to figure it out. But everyone has been so good, and I was like, this is honestly so annoying that I'm changing my mind on my dress, which is just insane. The smallest amount of doubt that I have of the dress, like I need to just like get rid of that. And then if I go and I try on other dresses and I decide like, okay, this is actually the dress that I like want, then I still have it because I'm bringing it to her. But if I don't, like if I decide to go with it, then I just go home and I bring it home. And then I just start the alteration process again. But I feel better knowing that I like have the option to look again, and I have the option out there. I have like 2 dresses in mind that I tried on when I was there, that I might like try on again and like see if those are the ones that I want. But it's just been like a really stressful and like emotional past couple days, which sounds really dramatic, but just like the stress of being so close to the timeline, already picking out the dress, going to alterations, paying for the dress, like I had everything paid for already. So it was like, I felt like there was like no way out. But then when I got everything figured out today, like I can go back and try on more dresses. They haven't started alterations yet, so I would be able to bring it back. That just made me feel a lot better. And Hannah from Daydream is just a saint for, first of all, dealing with my craziness, and second of all, being so like accommodating and getting me an appointment right away, so that we can figure this out. So the process starts again of looking for a dress, and it's been crazy and stressful, but I'm excited that I have an option now, and I have like a second chance kind of, which again, it sounds so dramatic, but that's the update. That's what's been going on. I wanted to update you guys. I just got back from dress shopping for the second time, and I got a new dress. It's very different from the original one that I picked, and it's not any of the ones that I previously tried on. I actually didn't try this dress on at all. This was the first time that I tried it on, and I went for it. I feel so much better. It's very different. And yeah, I'm just excited for you guys to see it because it's so different. It's not like traditional, so it's pretty cool. I'm really happy that I made the decision to go back and pick something else. So tomorrow morning I have to call alterations again to get an appointment to go and start alterations so that I can get the dress done in time. So I'm just crazy. I know it's insane, but I'm happy I did it. I'm happy that I have a new dress. I'm very excited about it. And Hannah, the owner of Daydream, you guys know I'm obsessed. She gave me this sweatshirt, and it's so cute. It just says bride on it, and it's super cute. So I'm really excited about that too, because you guys know I love my crew necks. But yeah, I just wanted to give you guys that update, and this is going to conclude this video. I will keep you guys updated on all of the wedding mayhem. It's coming up very soon, and shredding for the wedding is in full effect starting February 1st, which is Monday. And thank you guys so much for watching, following along this crazy journey, and make sure that you guys subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.